Very nice to see you all on dot time. Good morning all of you dear. Good morning. Mayur, Ayushi. Very good morning to all of you. Tamanna. I'm very happy that you all are joining on time. Punctual all of you. Good. Let other students also join. Then we'll start our lecture. Okay. Sankalp also joined. Priya Dievar also joined. Good morning, Priya. I think so. This is your first class or what, Priya? Is this your first class? Okay. You can ask me in WhatsApp also the previous topics. Okay. Just go through it. Tamanna, good morning, beta. Today I am audible to everyone, no? Those who have joined now. Am I audible to everyone? Yes, good. Yesterday there was sound problem. Okay, let's see. Maybe it was network connectivity issue. Okay. So many students have joined within 1 minute. Nisha also. Good. Aditya joined now. So we'll start the class. Okay. Yash. Good morning, Yash. Okay. Yesterday I have explained to you quantifiers. ठीक है? In exercise 1.4 we have done few questions yesterday. After that I have started the topic quantifiers. ठीक है? I am again repeating the topic quantifiers because the voice was not audible, but I sent the video also. You might have seen. Okay? So quantifiers means which denotes the quantity. Quantifiers का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो quantity denote करता है ना? तो quantity जो denote करता है mathematical logic में ऐसे दो quantifiers दिए हुए हैं. ओके बेटा, वीडियो इज ब्लर, कनेक्टिविटी इशू होता है वो. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, टू ऑल ऑफ यू, इज द वीडियो ब्लर? Is the video clear? Rest of the students? Okay, to few students it is clear. So connectivity issue है वो, ठीक है? But we'll continue the class. Okay. See, quantifiers means there are two quantifiers. That is when all the values are included. जब पूरी quantities को include कर रहे हैं, then that is फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज फॉर ऑल. ठीक है, फॉर ऑल के लिए जो क्वांटिफायर यूज होता है दैट इज नोन एज यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर. फॉर ऑल के लिए जो यूज होता है उसको बोलते हैं यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर. एंड द सिंबल फॉर यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर इज रिवर्स ए. ठीक है, यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर का जो सिंबल होता है दैट इज रिवर्स ए. इज इट क्लियर? देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर फॉर सम वैल्यूज. यहाँ पर दो ही क्वांटिफायर्स है. ओके, एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर मीन्स अपोजिट ई, रिवर्स ई. ओके, यू हैव टू स्टडी टू क्वांटिफायर्स ओनली, दैट इज फॉर सम and for all. So when all the values are included, then you have to use this one, this quantifier. Okay, and when few values are included, then you have to use this one, that is existential quantifier. Okay, for example, for all that is universal quantifier. If I am saying that for all the values x belongs to natural number where x square is greater than equals to 1. ठीक है, x square is greater than equals to 1. So for all the values. ठीक है, so because for all the values of natural numbers, square of natural numbers, the square is always positive. ठीक है, square of natural numbers is always positive. It means we can use in this type of question universal quantifier. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हम universal quantifier को यूज करेंगे because it is true for all the values. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है, इट इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल द वैल्यूज. जब पूरी वैल्यूज इंक्लूड होती हैं तब हम इंक्लूड करते हैं यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर. And when some values are included, then we'll use existential quantifier. For example, for some values of x belongs to natural number where 3x plus 2 is greater than is less than 8. Suppose I am writing 3x plus 2 is less than 8. Okay, this is the statement. So for this statement I used here existential quantifier. ठीक है, इस statement के लिए existential quantifier यूज किए because ये statement कुछ values के लिए true हो रहा है. Okay, कुछ values के लिए, like if we'll start from 1 because it is defined for n, that is natural number. Okay, so 3 into 1 that is 3, 3 plus 2 that is 5, 5 is less than 8. इसका मतलब ये statement true है x equals to 1 पर. Okay, now go for 2. X is equals to 2, so 3 into 2 that is 6, 6 plus 2 that is 8. ठीक है, so 8 is not less than 8. यहाँ पर ये value true नहीं हो रही है. Okay, so that means this is satisfied only for one value, that is x is equals to 1. x is equals to 1 पर ही ये condition true हो रही है. So we can write for some values. Okay, that is for एक वैल्यू के लिए भी है तो हम लिखेंगे for some values x belongs to n where 3x plus 2 is less than 8. So जहाँ पर पूरी values नहीं आती हैं there you have to use existential quantifier. Is it clear to everyone the two types of quantifiers? Okay, we'll see its negation also. I will explain to you. ठीक है, but tell me that both the quantifiers is clear, that is for all and for some. Good, Aditya is saying yes, very good, getting the responses. Okay, so two quantifiers, that is for all and for some. Okay, now it is given after the quantifiers that it is not given in negation. Yesterday I explained to you one question in WhatsApp group. Okay, so I am clearing that now. For all is changed to for some. जब हम उसका नेगेशन लेते हैं, हमने नेगेशन टॉपिक पढ़ चुके हैं, है ना, तो सभी का हम नेगेशन लेते हैं तो वहाँ या फिर नॉट यूज करते हैं या फिर इट इज ट्रू, इट इज नॉट ट्रू दैट ये यूज करते हैं, अदरवाइज इट इज फॉल्स दैट ये यूज करते हैं, है ना. तो सम हेयर फॉर द एक्सिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर यू हैव टू चेंज फॉर ऑल टू सम. फॉर ऑल चेंज होगा सम में और सम चेंज होगा फॉर ऑल में. दैट मीन्स यूनिवर्सल विल बी चेंज टू एक्सिस्टेंशियल एंड एक्सिस्टेंशियल विल बी चेंज टू यूनिवर्सल फॉर द नेगेशन. ओके, सो एक क्वेश्चन था एक्सरसाइज 1.3 में. ओके, बट नेगेशन में वो रूल नहीं दिया हुआ था. सो बट यू हैव टू डू दैट क्वेश्चन इन द सेम मैनर. ऑल मेन आर एनिमल्स. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 1.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑल मेन आर एनिमल्स. तो उसको वहां करेक्ट कर लो. इट विल बी सम मेन आर नॉट एनिमल्स. सम मेन आर नॉट एनिमल्स. ओके, नॉट तो आएगा ही बट वहां पर ऑल की जगह सम हो जाएगा. ओके, सो करेक्ट दैट क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? सो नाउ विल मूव टुवर्ड्स एक्सरसाइज 1.5. Yesterday also I have discussed with you all. Again I am repeating the same topic, that is exercise 1.5 for the quantifiers. Okay, exercise 1.5 question number 1, first one. अच्छा, question number 1, what you have to do, use quantifiers to convert each open sentences defined on n into true statements. Here in quantifiers you can convert the open sentences into statement. हमने ये पढ़े थे स्टार्टिंग में कि open sentences जो हैं वो statement नहीं होते. Okay, we have studied in the beginning, and it is true that open sentences are not included in statement. But when you have studied the quantifiers, so with the help of quantifiers you can convert the open sentences into statement. ओपन सेंटेंसेस को हम स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? फॉर द बाय यूजिंग क्वांटिफायर्स. ओके, गॉट? सो this is question number 1 of exercise 1.5. okay, so what you have to do, you have to write down the quantifiers, you have to use the quantifiers. Question number 1 is x square plus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. X square plus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the question. Question number 1, first one. Okay, so as this is the quadratic equation, ये quadratic equation है, so which values are the factors of this quadratic equation? You can solve easily, okay, by splitting the middle term or by any other method. ठीक है, solve करो उसको, find करो. Okay, so here the factors are x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 5. Here are the two factors for this quadratic equation. इस quadratic equation के दो factors हैं. Correct, I got the answer from you all also. Aditya, yes, correct. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 5. These two are the factors. Okay, now you have to use here the quantifier. Okay, so यहाँ पर quantifier में it is not true for all the values. This quadratic equation has only two factors and that too for the natural numbers because it is given in the question defined on n. So natural numbers के लिए यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही factor है, that is 2. So this statement will be true. This open sentence will be converted into statement by taking the value of x as 2. x की वैल्यू अगर हम 2 लेते हैं तो ये जो ओपन सेंटेंस है ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा स्टेटमेंट में बाय यूजिंग एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर. ओके, सो बाय यूजिंग एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वांटिफायर हाउ यू कैन राइट सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज for some values of x belongs to natural number such that for some values of x belongs to natural number such that x square plus 3x minus 10 is true statement for x is equals to 2 belongs to natural number which satisfy it. Either you can write which satisfy it or you can write which satisfy this quadratic equation. Okay, yes, I got the answer, existential quantifier. Correct you all, and I have written how you have to write down the answer. Okay, by using the quantifier. सबसे पहले हम कौन सा quantifier यूज कर रहे हैं वो लिखो. Okay, then it belongs to natural number because as it is given in the question only. So then such that whatever the statement is given to you, it will be true for which values you have to write down. Like in this question it is true only for 2. Okay, एक ही natural number के लिए ये statement जो है वो true हो रहा है. So write down x is equals to 2 belongs to natural number which satisfy it, or you can write down which satisfy this quadratic equation. So like this you have to write down the quantifiers. You have to use the quantifiers. Okay, we'll see few more questions. That is question number 2. 3x minus 4 is less than 9. 3x minus 4 is less than 9. ठीक है, 3x minus 4 is less than 9. So for this again here you cannot use universal quantifier. You have to use, yes, I got the answers 2, 3, 4. Yesterday also I explained to you all. Yes, correct. This one, that is you have to use the existential quantifier here because if you are using here 1, 3 into 1 that is 3, 3 minus 4 that is minus 1, it will be negative. Okay, so we have to start from 2. So 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 4 that is 2, 2 is less than 9. Then 3 into 3 9, 9 minus 4 again less than 9. Then 3 into 4 12, 12 minus 4 that is 8 again less than 9. But 3 into 5 15, 15 minus 4 is not less than 9. So you have to use 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so how you have to write down here, that is again you will use existential quantifier belongs to natural number such that 3x minus 4 less than 9 is true for x is equals to 2, 3, 4 belongs to natural number which satisfy it. Okay. Here, see, because one is giving you the negative value. ठीक है, वन जो है वो नेगेटिव वैल्यू दे रहा है आदित्य. अगर हम यहाँ पर वन पुट करते हैं, सो हेयर इट इज द नेगेटिव वैल्यू. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2. क्लियर? ओके, यू हैव टू डिफाइन ऑन n पर डिफाइन करना है हमें. ओके, सो यू विल यूज 2, 3, 4 बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Second question, just give me the indication. Okay, got. Now question number first, third one. Just see here, third one. In this, the third question is n square is greater than equals to 1. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डाउट हो रहा है ना तुम लोगों को. ओके, विल सी. Okay, I will explain to you clearly in detail later. Okay, Ayushi, I will clear to you. Okay. Now see here, question number first, third one, that is n square greater than equals to 1. Okay, n square greater than equals to 1. It is true for all the values, because for all the values it will be positive only. Okay, so you can write down universal quantifier. Very correct, Aditya. Universal quantifier, that is how you will write down: for all x belongs to natural numbers such that, for all x belongs to natural number such that n square is greater than equals to 1 is true for n. अच्छा चलो लिख ही देते हैं, otherwise you will be confused. Third one, that is n square is greater than equals to 1. For all values x belongs to natural number such that n square greater than equals to 1 is true for n is equals to, you can write on 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, or you can write like this, n belongs to natural number. ठीक है, you can write down x is equals to 1, 2, 3 dash dash also. Okay, or you can write n, all the n belongs to natural number. मतलब पूरी वैल्यूज के लिए ये सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. Okay, so here which satisfy it. I not got Parth what you are saying. Parth, what you are saying I am not getting. Is it clear to everyone? Question number first, third one. ठीक है, for all you have to use here universal quantifier. So like this in question number 1 you have to use the existential quantifier or the universal quantifier for making this, for converting this open sentences into statement. Open sentences को statement में convert करना है. Okay. So we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2, what is given to you? That is it is given if b is equals to 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. b is equals to 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. ये एक सेट दिया हुआ है. डिटरमाइन द ट्रूथ वैल्यू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. सिर्फ हमें ट्रूथ वैल्यू बतानी है जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं उनकी. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू राइट द, यू डोंट हैव टू यूज हियर द क्वांटिफायर्स. यू हैव टू जस्ट टेल द truth value because here already it is given to you. Okay, so in question number second, first one, it is given for all values of x belongs to b. For all values of x belongs to b such that x is a prime number. So all the numbers are prime number. Is it true? For all the values? No. All of you are correct. This statement will be false. Is it clear? ये statement क्या होगा? False होगा. Because for all the values it is not true. तो कौन सा existential quantifier उसमें use हो रहा है? It matters. Okay, for that whether it is true or false. Okay. Now second, what is given in second? For some values of n belongs to B such that n plus 6 is greater than 12. n plus 6 is greater than 12. So just check 2 plus 6 is 8 greater than 12. Obviously rest of the numbers will be greater than 12. 3 plus 6 that is 9 greater than 12. So it means it is satisfying all the values in B. B में जितनी भी values दी हुई हैं all are greater than equals to means when you will add in that 6 it will be greater than 12, not equals to, it will be greater than 12. Okay, so it will be true. क्या होगा? True होगा. Is it clear? The truth value of this statement will be true. Like this you have to write down. Third one is again for some values of n belongs to B such that 2n plus 2 is less than 4. 2n plus 2 is less than 4. It means 2 into 2 that is 4. 4 plus 2 that is 6. Is it true? 6 नहीं है 4 से छोटा. ठीक है. Again अगर हम 3 बढ़ाते जाएंगे obviously it will not be less than 4 because 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. That means this is not at all true for a single value. एक single value के लिए भी ये true नहीं है. That's why the answer will be false. Okay, answer of this statement will be false. Is it clear? Okay. Vidhan, you are late. You have joined now. Okay, we'll start daily the class at 9 only. All of you be aware and be on time. Okay, we'll start the maths class at 9 only daily. Okay, like this you have to do question number second. So there are 5 questions total. Let's discuss because 6 minutes are left. Okay, question number 4. For all the values of y belongs to B such that y square is negative. For all the values y square is negative. Is it true? Because y square is never negative, है ना? ये जितनी values दी हुई हैं उसका negative तो होगा ही नहीं square. Okay, so this is clearly false. Okay, yes, got the answers. Correct. Then fifth one, for all the values of y belongs to B such that y minus 5 belongs to natural number. Y minus 5 belongs to natural number. 2 minus 5, it is not natural number because it is negative. Okay, 2 minus 5 that is minus 3. Not natural number. 3 minus 5 that is minus 2, not natural number. Then 7 minus 5 that is 2. Okay, but यहाँ पर दिया है for all. अगर यहाँ पर for all की जगह पर दिया होता for some values then ये statement true होता. Getting all of you? If here instead of all for all existential quantifier यूज किया होता तो ये values ये statement true होता. Okay, Somesh, what is this emoji? Okay, so here we have completed exercise 1.5 also. Okay, it's okay beta. Here we have completed exercise 1.5. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन में जहाँ पर डाउट है I will clear to you, आयुषी and all I will clear to you in group only. ठीक है, उसको डिटेल में एक बार लिख कर एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे. Okay, now after this exercise, okay, and one more thing, Ayushi, you have asked me one more question, 1 or 2 questions yesterday also and I have cleared to you because बेटा ध्यान देना, अगर हो सकता है कि वहाँ पर at the time of lecture maybe I not said not, है ना, नॉट की तरफ ध्यान नहीं गया होगा, बट जहां पर भी नॉट वर्ड दिया होता है वहां पर नेगेशन ही लेना है. इज इट क्लियर? पी में अगर इट इज क्लाउडी दिया है और उसके बाद जो सेंटेंस दिया है वो है इट इज नॉट क्लाउडी, सो देन यू हैव टू टेक देयर नेगेशन पी ऑलवेज. ओके, इवन दो एंड ऑल दिस विल कम इन कंजंक्शन ओनली. ठीक है, और इफ देन डबल इम्प्लीकेशन को छोड़कर बाकी सारे लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स इंक्लूड होंगे, इवन नाइदर नॉर ऑल्सो ये भी इंक्लूड होगा कंजंक्शन में। ये चीज क्लियर रखो। ओके ओके, आफ्टर दिस एक्सरसाइज विल स्टार्ट द ट्रूथ टेबल। इस एक्सरसाइज के बाद में यू हैव टू डू द ट्रूथ टेबल, दैट इज स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न। ओके, स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न होगा। I will just give you the introduction of that and we'll start doing the sums tomorrow. Okay, till then you all do the sums till exercise 1.5. 1.5 तक के सभी के sums complete हो जाने चाहिए. Okay, you all practice at home and you are free to ask me and I am answering also your doubts. Okay, but only few students are asking me, not others. So maybe they are not having doubt. It is very good, or otherwise they are not studying, or otherwise they are not asking me the doubts, है ना? There can be any option. So after this exercise we'll start statement pattern. Okay, statement pattern में क्या होता है? When there are more statements given to you, okay, like P, Q, R. हमें अभी तक 3 statements का ही दिया रहेगा. We have to do the statement pattern for the 3 statements only, है ना? So P, Q and R. Okay. So P, Q and R. These 3 will be the statements. Okay. So जैसे भी हमने P और Q का truth table बनाए थे. Okay. Here you have to make the truth table for 3 statements. Now you have to make the truth table for 3 statements. 3 statements के लिए बनाना होगा. Okay. So this thing, कितने statements दिए हैं इसको हम consider करते हैं M. How many statements are given? You will consider it as M. ठीक है. अब वहाँ कुछ ना कोई लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव यूज होगा. स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न है, इसका मतलब कि लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव यूज करके वो स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न फॉर्म हुआ है. Is it clear? So there will be logical connectives. So how many logical connectives are there that you have to take? As N. How many logical connectives are there that you have to take as N? Okay. P, Q, R, that means how many? Suppose P and Q दिया हुआ है. So M will be 2. Okay. मतलब जितने statements हैं that will be M and जितने logical connectives हैं that will be N. That you have to consider it as N. Okay. For example, suppose see negation P. Suppose this is the statement pattern. ठीक है, ये एक statement pattern दिया हुआ है. Negation P, disjunction Q, disjunction negation Q. Okay. Here अगर disjunction 2 बार यूज हुआ है तो हम उसे 2 बार लेंगे. Because how many are there? ठीक है, how many का मतलब कितने लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स यूज हो रहे हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट सी कि यहाँ स्टेटमेंट्स जो है वो 2 ही हैं, दैट इज P एंड Q. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं तो हम उसको दोबारा नहीं लेंगे. स्टेटमेंट्स 2 ही हैं, दैट इज P एंड Q. सो योर M विल बी हियर 2 एंड योर N विल बी लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स कितने हैं. नेगेशन नहीं होता है बट यहाँ पर बिकॉज हमें उसके लिए एक अलग से टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमें नेगेशन को भी इंक्लूड करना होगा. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Okay. So N will be 4. है ना? So like this you have to take M and N. Okay. Now you are having next class of accounts. Only 30 minutes. Half minute is left. Okay. So we'll continue this M and N tomorrow and the statement pattern truth values. Okay. You will clearly understand. But now I explain to you only what is M and what is N. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा सा बुक में रीड करना, वहाँ पर क्लियरली दिया हुआ है how you have to take M and how you have to take N. Okay. So we are done with today's class and I'm ending the class now. Vidhan, bye. And join the class on time. All of you, many students have joined on time. Good.